All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just want to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a 1-card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the 1-card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, Divine, who do we have a message for now? Who do we have a message for now, Divine? We just did Sagittarius. All right, Divine, can we pull a message for Scorpio, Capricorn, Libra? Let's see. Can we pull a message for someone that we have not gotten yet, Divine? All right, we got Scorpio, and we got 4. All right, Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration, a message that's full of guidance and motivation for our Scorpio. Divine, please help me to channel this message from my mind, from my heart, and from my tongue with nothing but pure intentions and love. Let's go. All right, Scorpio. All right, so the card I pulled for you is the 3 of Cups. All right. So the 3 of Cups is just you being in an let me untie my tongue. Okay, so the 3 of Cups is just you being in an energy of wanting to celebrate. It's you being in an energy of being very fruitful, being very successful, ready to collaborate with other women. For some of you, it could also mean that you are ready to give birth, have a child, start a family. Basically, there's 3 women in here and they're just happy because they have accomplished a long-term goal. That long-term goal has brought them lots of abundance. You see lots of fruit that's in the background. You see someone holding grapes, which represents that life is sweet right now. You see one woman dressed in red, which means she's full of passion. So this is the energy that I'm picking up for you, Scorpio. So celebrate life. If I know one thing about a Scorpio is a Scorpio is going to work. So take the moment to also celebrate yourself, Scorpio. Work with other people to bring a project that you know of or you have been working on to just bring it to a wider type of audience. So that is the energy that I have for you. Lots of celebration, lots of collaboration and success going on in this 3 of Cups. So let me go ahead and pull an affirmation card for you as well, Scorpio. Can take that one. All right, So the affirmation card says, my big vision is the sum of the small steps I take each day. My big vision is the sum of the small steps I take each day. My big vision is the sum of the small steps I take each day. All right, Scorpio, so I hope that resonated with you in some way. If it did, be sure to go ahead and like this video. Also, make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of your future readings. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.